Hi. Hair loss no longer is a problem which was faced by only older individuals. As a matter of fact, more and more young individuals are now facing this distressing condition. But have you ever wondered what could be those underlying factors that is causing hair loss, especially in young individuals? To name a few, it could be stress, tension, lack of sleep, eating habits, water conditions. It could also be hereditary. But like I said, these are some of the underlying factors that could be causing the hair loss, but there could be multiple reasons that could trigger hair loss in an individual. So this is where Advanced Hair Studio comes in. We understand the impact hair loss can have on your confidence and your overall well-being. So hence we have designed the most comprehensive program in the form of Advanced Laser Therapy, the home and the studio program. Advanced Laser Therapy is designed to provide you an effective and convenient solution to your hair loss. As a matter of fact, it is a tailor-made program with optimum results. With the convenience of your own home, you can have access to our proven methods and technologies. Our most satisfied clients have already experienced thickening of their thin hair, controlling and arresting of their hair loss, overall improvement in their hair texture and hair quality, and the scalp condition. It is a proven technology for the last 25 years and it is highly recommended. So, do not let hair loss hold you back. Take control of your hair and your life. Visit Advanced Hair Studio today and meet the experts and take their advice in regaining your hair and your confidence back. Thank you.